Hey traders, this is Taylor with Top Pick Trading. We're in this really strong downtrend, and I want to see if we can get a setup off of the EMA. Um, Hopefully a second entry short. This little uptrend was kind of strong, but you can see how the EMA pretty much halted prices. Really expecting this to push down again, so I want to see if we can push back into the EMA, and we do perfectly right into it. And now we tick above. So I will take the engulfing setup in this case. Downtrend's really strong. The EMA's been holding firm. You can see this blue downtrend's in play, and we also need a retest from that golden downtrend that's tight. So let's see if we tick above here. And we are in this. 2 contracts. Take a screenshot of this really quick. You can see the strength in this. So I'm going to try to swing one of these. The first contract, I'm going to go for 5, and then the second one we'll just kind of trail and see. You see how nicely the setup bar pushed up into the EMA. Actually, I'm going to go for 6. That still gets us out before that low. You can see how nicely the setup bar pushed into the EMA, and then how nice the signal bar was. I was okay in this instance taking the engulfing, but you got to really be sure of what you're looking at to be able to do that. And our break even is in for the runner. We're getting real close to the scalp. Touched our order there. And there we go. We get the 6 points. And let's see if we can get a big runner on this. I'll probably trail pretty soon here because we do have a new low in place now. Locking about 4, which would be less than our initial scalp, but hopefully we can just hold this for a lot more. We'll see. A little bit stalling now that we got that new low. You can see how strong it really sold off once we got in that trade. So there's a decent chance this goes further. Let's see. Yeah, we do get hit there. But I hope you guys enjoyed the second entry short.